Hi, how's it going? I haven't been vlogging for the past few days, even though I said I would, but honestly, it's creepy being in a canyon that's quiet at night. Well, it's quiet all the time, and talking in there, when it's that quiet makes it feel like there's gonna be an echo, because everything echoes and voices carry, and it's weird. It's a weird feeling. But yeah, I've been out camping for the past 3 days. Well, 2 nights. Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that's what happened. That's where I was, and let's see. I'm getting caught up on my vlog watching. Haha, woohoo! Oh, and guess what? Today. Hold on a minute. Okay. Whoops. Yeah. I don't know when it came, but I got a prize pack from Fearless Records, the Forever the Sickest Kids street team. I don't know when it rained or anything here in Alamogordo, because it rained every day up there that I was up camping. But the box is all jacked up. It's all wet, well, dried from wetness because of a rainstorm. But I got my Forever the Sickest Kids prize pack. It came with that street team photo, and all of them signed it. I got a poster that was signed, a lanyard bottom, I guess it's called, from a past tour of theirs, and it came with this wristband, which now I have 2 of. And then I have, it came with 3 stickers and the Jack CD, and now I have 2 of those. And yeah, that's what it came with, and the box was all jacked up, and everything in it was perfect. And yeah, so I was pretty excited about that. What else? I know it sounds funny, but on Apprentice A's vlog, I got a featured comment. It was on vlog number 950, and that was posted on August 9th, and it was funny to see my comment on there. Yep. Honestly, when I left, I had a feeling that one would be featured or whatever, and yeah, I was excited to get back home and watch it. But once I got home and tried or got online and everything, I totally forgot about it. And then I saw it and I'm like, oh yay. It's quiet in my room and I have headphones on, so it was probably pretty weird. But yeah, that was exciting, I guess. And what else? So I go back to work tomorrow. I work 7 to 3. And yeah. What an exciting life I live. That's pretty much it. Oh wait, let me tell you about those rainstorms every day there up in Cloudcroft area. Well, we got there Friday afternoon, and as soon as we got there, we set up tents and everything. And as soon as we did that, we went in the house and it started pouring. So that was good timing on our part. Then it kind of stopped, and then that night we went to bed. We played cards every night. It was a fun game. The game we played was, I think it was called 31. I don't know what it's called anymore because we changed the game and changed the name and rules, and we called it Beat the Knocker. And it was pretty fun. So we played that every night and day. And then let's see, Saturday it rained. It rained off and on all day for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but Saturday night it rained at night and everything. Last night it rained literally all night, and there was thunder and lightning. So that was crazy. It reminded me of back in the day when we went camping up in Cloudcroft also, but different spot. But there was a bunch of loud thunder and lightning, and it was really close when we went camping up in Cloudcroft. And that's what it reminded me of, and that's why I didn't sleep very well that last night. And then, but it really wasn't that bad, so that's a good thing. And then it rained from the time we went to bed at like 10:30 all the way up until like 5:30. So that was a lot of rain. And when we were coming home, that was pretty scary because we were coming down the hill, couldn't see a thing because the windows were foggy and there was a lot of loud thunder and lightning. And yeah. So yeah, that's been my weekend. Pretty eventful. I don't say that often. Let's see. Yeah, tomorrow I work. So I'll be working 7 to 3. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow.